It can be difficult to smell your own body odor since you experience it every day, but there are methods you can use to gauge your own scent and combat it if necessary. Start by smelling your armpits, feet, and groin area, as these are typically the most pungent areas. You can also do a sniff test to your clothes at the end of the day to see if they smell musty. To reset your sense of smell, inhale the scent of coffee beans for about 30 seconds. Checking your breath by exhaling into your cupped palm can also provide insight into any oral hygiene issues. Asking a close friend for their opinion on your body odor can be helpful. And if you suspect excessive body odor or a change in odor, it's important to consult a doctor. Showering twice a day, wearing an antiperspirant and deodorant combo, and washing your clothes frequently are effective ways to combat body odor. Dressing in sweat-wicking fabrics, shaving your armpits, and maintaining good oral hygiene by brushing, flossing, and regular dental cleanings can also help. Avoiding smelly foods like garlic and onions, as well as staying properly hydrated, are additional ways to manage body odor.